for the ankle joint, um, at the talocrural joint, you'd have dorsiflexion and plantar flexion, and these would be in the sagittal plane. For dorsiflexion, you would be using the tibialis anterior as the prime mover, and the extensor digitorum longus and extensor hallucis longus would be assisting. For plantar flexion, the prime movers would be the soleus and gastrocnemius, and the tibialis posterior, peroneus longus and brevis, flexor digitorum longus, flexor hallucis longus, and plantaris would be assisting. For inversion and eversion, you would be moving in the frontal plane, and this would be at the subtalar joint. For inversion, the prime mover would be the tibialis posterior, and the tibialis anterior, flexor digitorum longus, flexor hallucis longus, and extensor hallucis longus would be assisting. For eversion, you'd be using the peroneus longus and brevis, and these would be the prime movers, and the extensor digitorum longus would also be helping. For other joint movements, we have in the horizontal plane, you would have abduction and adduction. And then you'd have, in all three planes at the subtalar joint, you're going to have supination and pronation. And that, again, those would, the supination would consist of inversion, adduction, and plantar flexion. And for pronation, that would be a mixture of eversion, abduction, and dorsiflexion.